Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. You see, sometimes there are people, they struggle a lot to embrace the changes of others. They struggle because they think those people had lived differently, very far from their expectation. Those people, they think they had lived in a very sinful life. That makes it so hard for them to accept their transformation. And when they start speaking the word of God, they doubted. They doubted that authority. Why? In fact, God Himself has chosen imperfect people. God Himself chosen imperfect people for Him to be glorified, to show that it was His power and it was not about human perfection. In the Bible, there are biblical examples. Moses, if you read in Exodus 2 verse 12, Moses himself had killed an Egyptian. David, if you read 2 Samuel 11, David himself committed adultery. And what does this remind us, people? That even sinful people, we can still be the instrument of God to share what is God's truth. You see, I want you to imagine a lamp that is rusty, dusty, full of mud. Nobody even wants to dare to touch it. But what happens if you lit that lamp? It will still give light. It will still shine. It will give brightness in the darkness. And what is more amazing, it's going to be noticeable because those dirt, those mud does not stop the light from shining brightly. You see, we just don't need to focus on the filthy lamp, but we need to focus on the light that it brings. God said in 2 Corinthians 4:7, "But we have the treasure in a jar of clays to show that this all-surpassing powers is from God and not from us." What does this passage telling us? That even a jar of clay, which is cheap and easy to be broken, it can still hold the treasure of the Lord. Same as that filthy lamp that can still give out brightness in the darkness. I hope this enlightened us, and thank you all for listening. To God be the glory.